Alright, everyone remember respond with period and then exclamation point once we breach. Now we're doing an X breach again. Alright. Okay, I want people around barrels, people around
Someone
the
with me,
office.
someone with me. Go up.
Yep.
Barrels on me.
One guy stay at the bottom, remember? We're gonna clear this place. The enemy should be back anytime soon, so we're not gonna do
Barrels clear.
evac. Offices are clear. Yeah, they're good. We're good. Alright, you're gonna be yeah, good. Everyone put on your NVG. Alright, I'm just gonna make sure everything is deleted.
Hacker man.
Yes.
Be advised, enemy
Contact.
Alright,
Dude, Iron. I have a much better. My scout, go out the back. Go out the back.
I'm low.
Don't leave a guy alone. Remember, they will swarm you, so never leave a guy alone. You should always be at least 2 by 2.
I'm getting targeted.
Alright,
Okay,
you're clear.
Clear?
Alright,
Evac?
evac.
On the way, gunners, snipers get in.
Next round is gonna be the enemy helicopter, so we gotta get the
Gunners,
fuck out of here.
The heavy gunner is always the last one.
Where's the landing zone at?
Police station is always.
Holy
Roger.
Alright, my squad still in the back. Actually, it doesn't matter. We're returning.
Alright, yeah, we're gonna be returning. Just make sure everyone's here. Yep. Okay, we're good. Hold on. Crash. Yeah.
I'm first person, so I can't see jack shit.